The Article 20 talks about the freedom to practice religion in Pakistan. If we can flash back to the Article 2 that declares that Islam shall be the state religion, we can understand that this article is directly or indirectly linked to the Article 2 of the Constitution of Pakistan. We must understand that Islam as a state religion has an enormous impact on the daily lives of every citizen residing in Pakistan. Hence, to understand the practical meaning of this article, we should never negate the fact that freedom to exercise any religion in Pakistan shall be dependent on the injunctions laid down by Islam and the people who are responsible for religious interpretations and rulings. For better understanding on the Article 2, kindly refer to our video on Article 2 in our Constitution series. The Article 2 has two clauses. The article has two clauses. However, the first sentence of the article that could have been that every citizen deserves a right to practice religion starts from a restraining statement saying that this freedom is dependent upon law, public order, and morality. The first clause states that every citizen of Pakistan shall have the right to declare his or her religion with no hindrance to practice and preach his or her religion. Similar thing goes on in the clause B, which states that every faction in any religion shall have the right to organize, establish, and maintain its religious institution as a center for the management. However, the content of these clauses, as stated earlier, are barred by restraints coming from law, public order, and morality. The state religion predicament shall always supersede this freedom and its conjecture. Also, the management of the religious institutions shall always depend on basically three things: executive branch of the government, which has an authority to regulate religious bodies; constitution that allows the banning of the political parties even from the religious background; and lastly, and of course, judiciary that interprets and discovers law. I hope you like the video. Please do subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon.